Hi, good morning. We're at BU. It's Thursday, June 20th. We're so excited. We're here with Miss Vanita. She's one of our Bernina event angels. She's a love, and she's very product knowledgeable. And this is our new B990. Of course, the new top of the line Bernina. Doesn't get any better than this. It's totally amazing, and one of the most amazing features about it that she's gonna speak on is that it has a fully integrated BSR. So no more requiring you to install it and hook it up electronically. It's all integrated into the machine. So she's going to talk a little bit about it.
Good morning, everybody, and I am so glad to be here with you, gentlemen. And this is the Bernina Integrated Stitch Regulator. Now, let me tell you something. If you still like your traditional BSR, for now, it comes with the machine. So you can still get a BSR, and it still plugs in the back and automatically comes up. However, this is the new, and it's a 5.5 millimeter throat plate. You see this right here. And if I can turn this light off for you, alrighty, you're going to be able to see even better. This reads, and right in here, and you want to keep this sensor clean. That's important. Just like you have a microfiber cloth here, keep that because it reads right here. So let me turn that light back on. Isn't that light pretty cool? I love it. It's great. So, and let me show you something else right here. See, it's got the traditional 72 foot on it right now, but you can use all of these feet. How many of you have these feet? Oh yeah, you're looking at the screen right now and say, got that one, that one, that one, that one, that one. Notice you even have the 43 punching foot. So all those things that you were able to do on the big Q16, Q20, you can now do on here, including ruler quilting. So if I go ahead and I just turn that off, you will notice, well, how do I get to BSR? When I go to the main menu, you'll see there is a icon that takes you right to BSR. Well, that's good, but if I go here and I go to the home screen, there is also a place right here that you have the Bernina, and you have Bernina's integrated stitch regulator. You have all three modes. BSR1 runs, as you well know. BSR2 is you. So you can turn it on, give it the power, but you have to move it. And BSR3 allows you to do basting, either 2 stitches per inch or 4 stitches per inch. Now, all of these things are wonderful. You can go back really easily, go back to BSR1. And now, well, this 250, I am a really good person. And I know not only a good person, but I'm a really quick stitcher. You press and hold this, and it will come up, and I press and hold. Let me get my fingers working here directly. And you can put in like 400 because that 250, default just isn't good enough for you. Now, I had a lady in here that went up to 800, and I was a little bit hesitant. Well, she rocked this baby with that 800 speed. So you will also find your stitches per inch, what works best for you. And once again, BSR1, BSR2, and to get back to default, it's as simple as that. So I can show you just a little bit here, and I'm going to go ahead and use my foot pedal, and I have to put my glasses on because I can't see. I was trying to be cute, but sometimes you need to be practical. So this is BSR1, which runs, and then you have to move it. Okay? BSR2, as you well know, I give it power, and nothing happens until you actually do the movement. But now let me show you. Wonderful. How many of you have wanted to do ruler work? Number one thing with ruler work, make sure your foot is already down before you bring this in. And now I like to do BSR2 with the ruler work, which is what most people like to do. Just take that and go front and back. You know how you move your rulers, all your rulers, the same thing, and you just give it some power. Now, I'm using my foot pedal, but once again, oops, I went off the slide here. You can go and you can do your kickstart, you can do your automatic, you can do everything with this. And now this is just a straight ruler, but any of our rulers you can use that come with this. And this is just 2 rulers that are in the ruler work set from Bernina. But any of the Amanda Murphy rulers or etc. you can use and just have the best time with all of this. And the more you practice, the better you get. And the more comfortable you get with using these. But how about get off the ski slope again. Can't talk and work. Bring that on around. And remember, you can also go with your rulers behind. Now, this is the 72 foot, but remember I showed you all the different feet you can use? Can you imagine how much fun this is with couching?
And I also noticed, Miss Vanita, that it has a laser light too.
Oh my goodness gracious. You saw that beautiful laser? Let me Let me just bring the foot up for a minute, and you can see that red in there. And let me bring this up. So if you're following a pattern, a printed pattern or something, you have that laser. And remember, it's the pinpoint laser that's in the Bernina 990. And it is exactly where the needle is. You know, some people say bigger is better. In this case, smaller is more precise.
Oh,
so that
that's
you
great.
can follow along.
That's great.
You know, and once again, you do have your camera, all right, and your camera can show you exactly where everything is, but you don't want to use it for the BSR because as soon as you start using it, the camera's going to go off and when you're going to use this. But knowing that it's there, the lighting, you know, if you need to take some glare off or something, easily to turn that on. It's on right now, and you can see how it comes a little bit darker so that you can get in there. Maybe you've got extra glare or something. Your techs are going to love this because of what I showed you was that wonderful sensor that's there, and to turn it back on, easy peasy. Also, you know all about, because the gentleman who told you, the wonderful tutorials that are available, and they'll be coming, more and more tutorials will be coming available for you. There's nothing bad about this machine, and there's everything fabulous about this machine. I absolutely love it, and I know that you're going to love it too.
Thank you, Miss Bernina.
You're more than welcome. Loved it. Get this machine. Enjoy it.